statement of purpose for your Australian dreams? You are at the right place. I'm Sanya Malhotra, and today I'm going to guide you through the do's and don'ts of creating a stellar SOP that will set you apart. Let's dive in. Before diving into the do's and don'ts of creating a stellar SOP, why don't we get to know what is a SOP? Statement of purpose. In the context of international education, SOPs are required in the application procedure in universities and colleges. They provide applicant an opportunity to articulate their motivation, qualification, and aspiration, allowing admission commission to get to know the student better beyond the grades and test scores. Now let's start with the first two, which is understanding the purpose. SOP is not a formality. It's your chance to tell your unique story and tell why you are the perfect fit for your chosen program. Dive deep into motivations and aspirations. Second do your homework. Research about your chosen program and university extensively. Learn about their values, faculty, and unique offerings. Tailor your SOP to show how you are the perfect match for their academic environment. Third do make it personal. Share your anecdotes, experiences, and challenges that shaped your aspiration. Let your personality shine through. Remember, authenticity is a secret weapon. Fourth do connect your goals with Australian experience. Showcase how Australia's education system, industrial opportunities, and cultural diversity aligns with your aspiration. Fifth showcase your achievements, whether academic or extracurricular. Highlight your success, research projects, internships, or any other relevant experiences. Let them know you are ready for success for your chosen field. Sixth do express your desire to contribute. Australian institutions value students who contribute to the community. Discuss how you plan to engage yourself into the cultural exchange or into the campus life, or how are you going to participate into the cultural initiatives. Don't include any irrelevant information. Stay focused on your academic and career goals. Avoid any kind of unrelated information that can dilute the impact of your SOP. Keep it relevant and concise. And the most important one, absolutely don't plagiarize. Remember, originality is the key. Admission committee are expert in detecting the copied content. So remember, your SOP should be the genuine reflection of your thoughts, aspirations, and experiences. Don't underestimate the editing process. After crafting your SOP, take your time, revise, review, and seek feedback. A polished SOP is a testament to your dedication and attention to the details. Crafting an exceptional SOP is your gateway to Australian academics. Keep these do's and don'ts in your mind and you will be on your way. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights. All the best with your SOP, and may your Australian journey be as bright as the Southern Hemisphere stars. This is Sanya Malhotra signing off.